Welcome to this Brooklyn duplex where we renovated our client's primary and guest baths. I'm Nicole, Chapter's Interior Design Lead, and I'm going to walk you through the various design elements of this project. I designed custom vanities with integrated quartz tops paired with wall-mounted faucets. The existing shower had a step up and then another platform. We were able to totally level the shower and redesign it with mosaic floor tiles, an invisible drain, and ribbed wall tiles. We changed the guest bath door from a swinging door to a pocket door to give the clients better circulation from the kitchen into their bathroom. In both baths, we used wall-hung toilets with dual flush white push plates. We complemented the large format white gloss marble look tiles with a skinny subway tile and a herringbone lay in the bath. We wanted a harmonious and complementary design with each bathroom still having its own aesthetic. The primary is an industrial spa vibe while the guest bath is classic and bright. Now you can see how you can use two different sets of finishes to create two different design styles and still create a cohesive design throughout the entire apartment. Start a new chapter with us.